A small estate affidavit is a process that allows someone to gather the assets of the estate and distribute them without the need for a probate. So how does this work? In Washington, our current, in 2024, level for a small estate is $100,000. So let's say there's a bank account, and it is what we call a directionless bank account, meaning that it doesn't have a pay on death or a joint owner. The owner has died, and the family or whomever is supposed to inherit has this bank account there that is $90,000 and they can't access it. What can they do? Well, they can always file a probate, and sometimes filing a probate is the most efficient way to handle things. But there is a procedure called a small estate affidavit, and what that is the person who is responsible for handling the estate, that could be a family member, for example, says, they fill out this form, and it says that they are inheriting, or that they are can inherit on behalf of all their siblings. If they're not the only beneficiary of the estate, then the siblings will sign off to say, hey, it's okay if our brother or sister collects all the money, because we know that they're going to take that $90,000 bank account and divide it 3 ways, or whatever the case may be. In order to use the small estate affidavit process, the person who signs an affidavit, and an affidavit is something under oath, says there are no creditors to this estate. If there are creditors, you cannot use a small estate affidavit process. And the small estate affidavit has to be provided to different state agencies, because the state agencies need to take a look and say, hey, do we have a claim against the decedent's estate? A small estate affidavit can be used for money. It cannot be used for real property. So bank accounts, yes, it can be used. If there's a house or something that's worth, real property that's worth under $100,000, small estate affidavit process can't be used, and you're going to be looking at a probate.